Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are doing another bargain deck unboxing. So this is Make Today Magical Positive Affirmation Card Set. So this is 24 affirmation cards. This I found at Five Below. It was under $5. I think it was $3.25 or something ridiculously inexpensive. This is published by True Story, and as always, I will link in the description box below where you can purchase this legitimately should you want to. So you are all kinds of amazing. 24 cards to help you live your most positive life. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I love my affirmations. All right, so they are square. Okay, interesting. Not enough to fill the whole box, huh? That's all right. Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Alrighty. So on the back side, we have note-taking here. So I am capable of, I'm most proud of. That's really cool. Sometimes we like to have little reminders like that where we write it down. So this would be an awesome gift. Let's get into it. It is legitimately cardboard. It is it's very stiff. So it might be a little harder to shuffle, but that's all right. You know what? $3. I am not going to complain. I think these would be great to have on your altar or on your bathroom mirror or on your refrigerator, somewhere you can see it every day. Oh, I like that. I am stronger than I think. Absolutely. So far, I'm really enjoying these. I think they're very positive and very good present tense statements. Love that. These are great to help you manifest as well. Saying it in the present tense and saying I am is super powerful. You start saying it, you start believing it, you start becoming it. Love that. These are great if you're having trouble with your confidence, if you're struggling with, your self-worth. I think these would be great to have in your arsenal because they're great little reminders. Aw, flowers bloom when you smile. I think the only thing I would change is I would change this to I. So flowers bloom when I smile, and I'll grow beautifully in my own way. Oh. I love that. Yeah, there's some really fantastic affirmations in here. Very much focused on self-worth and self-esteem. Love it. And I really do like the back of the cards where it gives you a space to write out what you feel about yourself. So I am capable of big change. I am capable of creating my own destiny. I am capable of getting up in the morning and completing my task list. Like all of these things you can write down and keep you motivated and keep you on track and keep you on track for manifesting too. So that's awesome. Again, this would make a fantastic gift because this isn't something that one would normally purchase for themselves. And I love that. I love finding things that like I don't really think I would purchase, but once I do, I'm like, why didn't I have that in my life? They shuffle just fine if you want to do like a random affirmation for the day. Or maybe you shuffle and you ask like, what affirmation do I need to repeat today? What do I need to focus on today? Let's see. Let's try it since we have time. What affirmation do I need to focus on today? I am capable. Look at that. So then what I would do, and this is just me, but you can do whatever you feel is good for you. But I would put this somewhere where I would see it and be reminded all day and repeat this to myself. And then you will believe it and you will work toward it and you will start embodying this energy. So that's fantastic. $3, I think it was at least below $5, obviously $5 below. I think this is fantastic. A great inexpensive way of using affirmations. If you struggle with coming up with your own, or if you just don't know what's going to work well for you for that day, a deck is great because like we did previously, you can shuffle and ask for what you need for that. This is awesome. I'm not complaining about it. I think honestly, this would make a really good gift for anybody or like a fun pick-me-up. So, and then I'm also thinking stocking stuffer too because it's small and easy to stick in a stocking. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Please let me know in the comment section what you think. Is this something that you would appreciate? Is this something that you would buy for yourself? Or is this a hard pass? Let me know all of those things down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys. I like you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And like I said, everything will be down in the description box below. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. So check it out if you haven't done so already, and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.